Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm glad I'm keeping up on creating videos up here. And on my previous video, I have explained on how to disable your account. And within that, when I was explaining this, I also mentioned that you can delete your account. And if you did accidentally, you can just gain the access back between the amount of time that you're having. And today we're basically going to talk about it on how to restore your deleted Discord account. So let's just say maybe it's not you actually. If let's say your computer was on and someone came and they pressed on delete account, or you plan to delete your Discord account and then you changed your mind and now you want to use Discord again. Now, in order to gain access to your account back again, you need to log into your account. And when you try to log in through your desktop or browser, you will be getting a pop-up that says that your account has been scheduled for deletion. And it's basically going to say, are you sure you still want that? And if you press I'm sure, that's basically you're confirming that you want to delete your account. But if you change your mind, which is what you're going back in for, if you look all the way in at the bottom, you're going to see the option that says restore account. So all you have to do is click on restore account and your account will be restored and you will be back into your account. You just have to log in again. Now keep in mind that when you plan to delete your Discord account, your account is only in the pending situation for 14 days. If you do not see this dialog when logging in, then your account has already been permanently deleted and it really cannot be restored because it's been more than 14 days, so you can't really do something about it. So I just wanted to make this short video because I realized I've mentioned this previously and obviously a lot of you people have question in your mind. If you accidentally pressed, what should you do? What is the time limit that you can still have access to your account back again? So I thought I should make a video regarding to this. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video. If you really enjoyed, then make sure to leave a like to this video and subscribe to this channel because there's a lot more coming out for you guys in the future. So yeah, that's all for today. Peace out.